Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and choose General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and select Theme. Over here, pick one of those by tapping on it, like dark, and tap on Home button. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can also go back into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Gboard. Then install this free app from Google Developer and open it. Now just enable in Settings. Click on the switcher next to Gboard, tap on OK, and tap on Select Input Methods. Select Gboard over here, tap on Done, and now close all of your tabs, just to be sure. Then go into Settings, scroll down and select General Management. Then Keyboard Settings over here and Theme. Now you can click on Show Mode to see all available ones, and when you're ready, tap on one of those images, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them and tap Apply. And now as you can see, theme of my keyboard changed again. But you can also go back to the same settings, but this time, so sorry, click on this plus icon under my themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders and choose Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!